Good afternoon, traders. John Caruso coming to you here for Monday, October 28th with your currency commentary for the day. Wrapping up here, we did see in the beginning of the day, we saw industrial production come out. We actually saw a beat in expectations. It was up 0.6%. However, we did see pending home sales fall much larger than expected, down 5.6%. We did see stocks initially in the overnight pushed higher. And then we saw them drop back towards the lows. Talking about the S&P, we saw it drop to about 1751.5. And now we're finishing back in the upper end of the range. Right now we're sitting about 1758. Looking at the dollar, we saw a mostly positive day out of the U.S. dollar. The market was extremely oversold. Perhaps we saw some short covering. We did see the market push to as high as 79.44. We saw it back off, or we are seeing it back off at the moment right now. We're sitting about 79.29 as the last price. So dollar, still a lot of headwinds in the U.S. dollar. The euro currency, we did see that, another volatile session there. We are sitting about 138.09. We are seeing the market kind of run out a little bit of steam up in these areas. I would look for a push towards 139 for some more significant headwinds from the euro currency. So look for that level, 139 as a key resistance level. British pound, we have seen generally favorable data coming out of the UK, which potentially could make the case for the Bank of England scaling back on their stimulus programs over there. So we are seeing the British pound trade lower today, 161.56. We did push down as low as 161 on the session. We're looking for a significant resistance level at 162.50. If we can push above that level and close up there, you're going to look for runs to potentially upwards around 164. But as we look ahead this week, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve and the FOMC statement on Wednesday. It's largely expected they will not taper. It's also largely expected that they're not going to put a date on the taper as well. But we are looking for key language in their statement to give us hints as to a possible taper maybe in 2014 or perhaps later on this year. So more to come. We'll see you back here again next week. Once again, I'm John Caruso. Feel free to call me anytime, 800-669-5354. And as always, trading futures and options carries risk and may not be suitable for all investors.